Grandma, what did we make today?
We need today what?
What is this?
Bánh mì thịt. Bánh mì thịt. Right? Bánh mì thịt cho mình.
So today we're making banh mi sandwiches.
Làm bánh mì thịt. With sugar. Half spoon sugar.
So we have 4 pounds of pork.
Half spoon. Little bit here, half spoon too.
That seasoning, some sugar, coconut milk, soy sauce,
The black pepper,
cucumbers, and she got some Chicago rolls, but you can also get any French bread. And she put some soy sauce.
Later I show you make pudding,
bowl.
okay, Savannah?
Okay. And what is that?
The sauce from barbecue.
Oh, the sauce for the barbecue.
See that?
Okay.
You can make a rib you want, okay? Mình here mix together. They have in here. You smell it? Everything. You see? They have everything ready.
So this is the sauce for the pork?
You have to. You have mix. But I don't have the cloth, so when I go look. I forgot about it.
How much sugar did you put?
Half spoon sugar. Pepper, a little bit seasoned. I go looking for mix together, okay, so when
So we put a few cloves of garlic and some oil, and we're ready to cook the pork.
make the garlic real brown, okay?
Yeah.
If I get pan too small, I don't take a big pan. That's okay. Later, put the fruit in. I'll put that in there, let me cook it. Look like you put coconut juice, but grandma don't have coconut. Grandma use that one. Look at coconut, do you see that? You supposed to use coconut. If I in Vietnam, I put the coconut. I don't do that too. Grandma put that juice in. Look at that. Coconut juice, coconut.
Okay, now we're putting in the cup of coconut soda. So we only seared it for about 10 minutes before we added the coconut soda. And now, how long do we let it sit, Grandma?
Sits about 1 hour. 1 hour. See that one turn over?
Okay, so after 20 minutes, we flipped it over.
But
And we've been keeping it at a low heat.
you see coi how you know là time we cook like 11:30. You see coi what time, okay? Depend on how much meat you have. You know what I mean? 11:30. Then you put vinegar in there. You taste it. Little bit sweet.
So you put vinegar and sugar into the carrot?
You taste it. You have taste it first. That's it. Grandma leave right here. Some thing you see, look at myself, because I learn, look, you see the picture box, you do that. See? Like that. If you do like that, the youth don't come out, that's a done. Now, see? Two. See coi.
What do you call the sauce?
Vô coi. Soy sauce. Nước tương. Nước tương đừng bỏ vô bánh mì. Put one more spoon, okay, Savannah. Let's see what happened. So put an inside the bread. Good. Good, baby. There you go. You see, right?
It's done.
Yeah. Then Mom turn up ready. Done. Make good for you one so you can see. This is it. Make your taste good. Pork, bánh mì thịt, okay? Bánh mì thịt, okay, Savannah? Bánh mì thịt. Dưa leo, carrot, cilantro, ngò, okay, Savannah? And one more thing here, come over here. Nước sốt. That it tastes good. That's it, baby.